Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to demo you the Brown Series 9390C, the cleaning of this shaver. So this is the shaver, this is the model, just for your reference, like Brown Series 9390cc silver model, and this is how it looks like. So, and I'm going to show you today the charging of, so the cleaning and of the shaver here. So this is the cleaning station. So this is how it looks like. So, and then this is the cleaning liquid which we get along with the box when we purchase it. We can buy it separately from Amazon or other site as well. And this is the actual shaver. So as you can see here, what he's saying that put this shaver like this. So you need to do like this here. You can put it like this, and then in the back side you will find a button. So press this button so that this slot will open. So you need to put this particular cleaning liquid inside this. So before this, just I need to remove the cap. Yeah, so this is the actual liquid to which cleans the shaver. So this is how we fit it inside. So you need to, once you press this button, this slot will open, and then you need to put this cleaning liquid like this, and then once it is fitted here, then you just need to do like this. So it is now completely adjusted. So after that, what you need to do, you need to plug in the charger here. So this is the charger socket. This is the charger socket here. So you just need to plug in the charger like this. And then you need to press this button in order to start the cleaning process. So what we did, we put this shaver here as shown in the what I can say logo, and then we pressed this button. Then we took the cleaner, and that cleaner we put into the slot here. We again press this particular slot now so that it will fit accordingly, and then once the this one is done, the assembly is done, then you just need to put the charger here. So in this slot, so you can see now all the buttons has light up. So in order to start the cleaning process, we need to press here. So once you switch on the charger, then you can see this one is like getting charged up. So and here you can see all the buttons are switched on. So you just need to press this button to start the cleaning process. So you can hear the voice like it is cleaning. So ideally it takes around 2 to 3 minutes to clean it. So let's see. So you can see the symbol here. It is like actually doing the cleaning of the head of the shaver. So hi guys, finally the cleaning is completed, and it took almost 2 to 3 minutes. Like it goes through various cycle, the cleaning process. So approximately 2 to 3 minutes it took to clean the shaver, and after that there is a drying phase. So it's almost 30 to 40 minutes it takes to dry the shaver. So it's completed. Now you can see it's just charging, but the actual cleaning and drying, these two phases are completed. So I am just removing the shaver from here, and you can see now, yeah, you can see it's completely clean now. And then Let me remove the head from here. Yep, so you can see it's completely clean now. I can't see any dust or any hairs inside this, so this is nice. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much. I hope I'll come soon with the new video. Thank you.